Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Now Experts Time channel. In this channel, we are discussing a lot of topics in ServiceNow area. What all the out-of-box capabilities are there? How the tips and tricks we can apply in the each area, and what are all the solutions I have applied in my real business landscape. So those are all the items we discussed in the earlier videos. When you have a time, you just see and explore more in this channel. So in this current video, we are watching the virtual agent related series. So how we can create the custom bot and how to make that bot with our portal mapping, how it relates with your AI solution. So those are all the things we discussed. So today's discussion we are going little deeper, how to create the topic. So before going to the topic, these are all the interaction and conversation related table schema mapping. So these are all the out-of-box tables are currently available. So when you understand the virtual agent, so you should understand the back-end tables also. So that whenever you need to do the troubleshooting, so that time it is easy to go to the appropriate location and try to resolve those problems using this schema mapping. So if you talk about the conversation, so these are all the three tables, major tables are currently used. You just go to the tables and table definition and search this table and try to understand what are all the entries currently available in this table. So you can easily map it. And the next interaction side, there are four tables are there. So this same tables, what are all the interactions point of view we have. So those all items you can see it. So better you take the existing history of records and just refer these two item, what is the difference and why it is stored into the appropriate table. So this is pretty straightforward. So you directly go and see, then you will get more clarity in this table. So now little go deeper with respect to the designing part. So when you talk about the designing the virtual agent topics, so you must understand the virtual agent designer. So first you should go to the left navigation pan and type virtual agent. Under this virtual agent you can see the designer. So this designer, where it is helping is, this designer is helping to create the appropriate topics. So not only the topics, so 1 minute I can show the major point. This is an important point. So when you talk about this topic, there are four items are available in your virtual agent. Setup topic, small talk topics, topic block and topics. So mostly topic block and topics we are repeatedly used in our landscape. So topics, it is helping to create the solution based on your NLU intent discovery. So the NLU intent, what it is identifying, based on the identification we are going to create this topic with the help of virtual agent designer. So this is pretty straightforward. Some topics it can be reusable manner. So it's like a function means you can define one function, you can call where it is required in that function to the appropriate script. Similar way, virtual agent side also they have introduced the same type of reusable functionality called a topic block. So these two frequently used. So these two, it is going to design your what is that design your virtual agent related topic items. So first we will go there so that you can try to understand it. So once you identify the topic detail, what I need to develop with the help of NLU, then after the identification, come to the virtual agent designer, and here you have an option to create the topics. So if you click this create, the what we discussed, that four option, it will be available in this topic block, setup topic, small talk. These are all the four, it's a common one. Custom input control, custom response control, these are all the newly introduced based on your version upgrade. So what I explained here is most of the item, it is referring only for a topic on topic block. For example, if you talk about the out of box related topics, so I just go back here. So in this out of box side, these are all the out of box one. So you can see everything, it is by ready-made manner it will come when you are enabling the virtual agent. So that means ready-made item, it is already available. So when you want to develop the business related item, you take the ready-made one as a reference, and wherever you need a reference item, you just open it and just to see it how it is defined. The same type of behavior you can build in your custom related topics as well. So this item mostly it is for your, for example, I just open this DH tools. If I open this and you just go to the properties and you can see this is a topic block. Go back again, you open anything and again you just go to the properties, you see it's a topic. So repeated manner it will come for a topic on topic block. So topic on topic block it's playing a vital role. So if you understand the topic on topic block, then the remaining item also pretty simple, because the major focus is only those two items. I'm just moving for one more item. This is for geolocation. It is also comes under your topic block type. So please open your instance and check what is the type of this topic. Is it a topic or a topic block, or is it a small topic? Whatever it is, you can identify it. So you will get some clarity how to kickstart your development into the virtual agent designer. And main thing is virtual agent is little interesting one, like how you can play the video game, similar type of video game related play you can do in your virtual agent also. So you will enjoy it when you are developing. So next thing is I'm just going inside part. So if you click this create button, you must understand the important three features. So once you create the topic, I can show you. Now experts time, demo session 1. I'm just naming a topic name as net demo session 1. So you can name it what you want. Who can access the topic? System roles, if you want to define the roles, you can define it only for admin or only for a end user, or external users or internal users. You can define those roles, so the topic is visible only for that person, that key persons only. So I'm just clicking the create button. So I said three important features, right? The three important features what I'm saying is this: user input, bot response, and the utilities. So if you know these three, then you can write A to Z in your virtual agent designing or virtual agent related development in the ServiceNow landscape. So it's very simple, easy to understand. So there is no much difficulty here. So user input means if you are entering anything, system needs to understand. System needs to get that value. So that's what we are talking about, the user input. When you talk about the user input, it might be a text, or it might be a choice value or grouped choice value. So ServiceNow identified almost 8 features here. So these 8 features is supporting for to collecting your user input. So once the user input is collected, then input needs to be manipulated, right, inside where you will do the manipulation. You will do the manipulation inside the table and table record, correct? So for example, I want to understand the ticket status of the incident number. Okay, so I'm just giving XYZ incident number. So you need to get that XYZ incident number. After that, using that XYZ incident number, you need to do the manipulation where it is available, which table, what is the status. So you need to write the script. So you need to write the script with the help of this utilities. So once the script is done and it is identified the answer or the result, it can be responded with the help of this bot response. That's all. Very simple. User input, that is called user is giving an input, that is called a user input in the virtual agent. So these are all the capability to collect the user input. Second, once the user input is collected, it needs to do some manipulations. When you want to do the manipulations, what you need to do is some scripting needs to write in your virtual agent. To write the script, this utilities is going to support you. So once the script is executed, it needs to pop up the results. The results, it can be achieved via bot response. If you are clear these three, then it is easy to implement your virtual agent solution in this topic area. Okay, so now what happened? Okay, I'm just coming back here. Now I just do the text. I'm just putting a drag and drop here. So when you're putting a drag and drop, in your right side you can see the definition of this field. So what you want to add, you just add it here. Collect user input. This is a name. Just type, if you are pushing a message or popping up a message, welcome to this channel or welcome to our business unit. So those type of labeling work you can do via this text. Welcome to Now Experts Time channel. Just put mark here. Next, just putting a save, and I am trying to do the test. So ServiceNow understand the pain point to test that item. So they have simplified that pain here. Just click the test button, automatically the pop-up box will open. Here you can do the test what you have developed in the virtual agent designer side. So remove this include topic discovery, and after that you need to do the testing. So I just put only one message like collect user input, right? So that collect user input also I have mentioned as welcome to Now Experts Time channel. What I have entered here, the same item is popping up here. You can see it, right? So what you are developing, the same solution is going to pop up in your virtual agent panel here. Okay, so this is a text related item. For example, I just add a static choices, something like that. Which organization detail I'm just adding here. Organization, I'm just welcome from, I just add a user input here. So input variables is I just selecting the collect user input here. I added the collector in collected input, collect user input, welcome from, just putting some particular organization. Now I am defining the organization choices here. TCS, CTS, Accenture. Just what are all the choices you want to add, you just add it. Infosys, like that. Now I'm just putting a save. Once you click the save, again I need to do the testing. Just do the click the test button. So once you click the test button, what it should go, it should go to your test phase. So here once it is opened, it will show the message as welcome to Now Experts Time channel. That is a message. Second, I'm just putting simply hi. Then it should show the choices. Welcome from which organization. You just select this organization. Then based on the organization, it should develop. So I put a hi. So user input is hi. So it's selected as a hi. Welcome from hi organization, like that. So if you want to change little item, then what you need to do is you slightly up that particular activity here. Then you can change it. So this is a way normally we are defining. So user input is pretty straightforward. What you are identifying, the based on the input, then you can define it. So mostly this text, static choices and boolean, these three are frequently used. Some of the area file picker also used. File picker means you want to add some attachment, then this file picker is going to support you. So for example, I can give one sample view. I'll take a boolean here. So for example, if I take a boolean, so what it will do, it will show like a decision mapping. See, so what it is showing us. So here, if it is true means how it should behave, if it is false means how it should behave. So that type of decision, it can be built with the help of this boolean. Okay, so I'm just closing this. I don't want now. So when you do the real-time implementation, just do it. Delete. Right. Just delete. Yeah. Now go up. Just remove this. That's all. So now it is removed. So similar way, what are all the options are there? You just drag and drop and just define the condition. When you are dragging and dropping up, there is a property window, it will come automatically in your right side. So here you can define your item. So this is what I am talking about, the user input. So This is very easiest way, simple way, just drag and drop and see the magic, and you can do the testing very easily. So once the relevant items are created, everything it is working fine based on your testing, then you should activate this item. So after that you need to publish this item so that it will display this topic in your virtual agent site from the portal. So I hope you little enjoyed this user input. User inputs, it's little straightforward. What you are giving, that item, it needs to be understandable manner in the system side. To make that understandability with the system, these are all the items it is going to support you. And meanwhile, using this user input, you need to do the manipulations. What you are defining here, that information needs to be passed in this utilities. So in the next session we will go one by one what response on the utilities, so you will get more clarity. I hope you enjoyed the session. Stay tuned and subscribe this channel to understand the more easiest way to learn the things from ServiceNow side. So I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for your time and good day. We will discuss in the next session. Thank you so much. Bye.